Okay, FM 101.7.
Na alaji me no wie kura de a ana no ye before say budget ye be ready no me no di nkomo na ma me mfa we ntu mehu se obi na me ka fuel asem say fuel no already no yatum 5.3 5.2 hwe various yi na filling stations na wo mo ebobo ho ana me ka say mo pensuo MPP apensuo mo kan say eye deregulation say he said ye free abansem one man betum ba budget ye ba ye ye hu say fuel increment ye 5.7 sanitation levy liter of fuel bi abeto bia ni ebeto na yasa kwatew bola tax ni ade tax be 4 eneguso obi edidi matam wa ha say me ye NDC agenda na ade no all over the world yatum me pamto we de ma menkyere mu nkyere bia wa ante ne yie de yatum wo filling station nku we de ye taxi aban ebegigin wo fan wo no so enye word over de yatum eti pamto menua ya na wahwe ne yie e de amam why atamidie
npede. There were two aspects of the billing of the petrol. So what must say? There was statutory taxes and I'm about
49% that dan wo
and sana yewo fango nangasa the mubia we don't sabaka bia it affects the price and I'm about
yes
na kwame ni amese MPP amane say omo che kwame na no me no udi nkomo no I want to make this point for them and then I make catch say fi budget no mama and I make say me ni da so mana kwa me refi kwame
ai ka mi wie kwa ka mi bo amachi de nyuma ma o ma were chichire ni awurade
ni da so bia o budget neighbor mu ana me bo a ka say me ni di da so na o ka say we di da so na me say we gidi esu
oh but baby say abai 100 million rent a year ye di be bo am nkofo nya rent eno welcoming news what
Kwame obi okwo school Legon there ya mama manfo na da usawo odi Legon na okwo ne Legon na okwo school
ai ena wuza my management throughout eyi kura me be ye doctoral degree me be ye business administration
and the minimum say we na homa man sign business questions for man sign nanso Kwame ya mama nzembi wo a araho Kwame wonim se nanadu dankwa bewi ametimi asenne ne clip bi amawa kama na NDC omoko aye debate na Ghana bo na tamne number 90 billion or so oka said ekwanya wo se faso a ye kanu baba from ni se be 20 aban na NDC aban mu nim hwe NDC apenso ye be free so no o certificate Kwame Nkrumah penso eba Bushi apenso eba Dr. Lima apenso eba Rollins apenso ebesi Professor Moses eba Jomahama ye kadi na 122 billion Kwame Timio into about 59 years or so no na ye kaina 122 billion nana Dubai ye kaya di infin wa peda 122 dia kodu 291 billion inti nana dunkwa abobosia chen abanye fi Kwame Nkrumah so a edibedu ene 291.6 billion enye wanwa se okọ parliament no wentimi anka eka wansa because the buaka na tin ni dika no Kwame ye ka mene ye wanka wansa sebi LGBT for trumu for abeji kuru yafa one can one sem. One gasano we expenditure one bet to two tax mo because one was or mine won chino. One sign the promise about say obey president obey 100 billion the abeshe jedim. Abe na esa ogo net kan wan. Na esa odi 100 billion kan esa be kan ho. Na se kwa mi on the nano na me ka to say na e deka 9,000. Say no abro 9,000 so. Anja ye kobe be 15,000 na na do apanzo. Enti mamu obi na da o say because obi can so obi see district hospitals. Baby a district hospital ni obi an obi see bi. Ye bisa ajima menu no o si 88 district hospital mo ka so mbeti no omunye nsi ba akokora na na do so be kata o so o see 11 at different various levels. Ajima menu o ye health minister no to no o so mu nsi bi. Procurement the have no more. It is at 11 is at various levels.
Why na kan?
Ajima menu so mu nsi bi. Na na do so mu nsi bi, o mu nsi be 11. And that is 88. Yamba kwasi we see 11 no kure we are 88 we 11 fi meka. We 29 88. Osi oba be 101. Nanu mi bi ubem bi se ye be si uso a anke shoma. So share 88 no ma na it the nan why na just so be yes. Kwame, so don't deceive yourself. And I'm not be any deceive you say there's money somewhere. Nanado kofa eba baby. Nanado ni ame send say one budget way o ye ya obubo petrol boy. Mo ma yanko PNDC a penso se beredi budget Kwame wo de woni afi unim ne make. Ye beredi budget no bi a hodo ni petrol so kai.
Pa
No on France and Fayan Cobium. Because budget you boy you to bedroom no. Next time we can kind in next budget. I want to petrol station for na no oma local petrol etio. Ko mu nyim bia ebe koso na ebe kofo. Mo sam Fayan ko echi. Because today you do fear no so. You deregularize ade no. I'm a private people na eye.
Ante ba ko na be hye mu 5.7 no. Me no media mentia se se bia obote ase a.
And that's we increase or the 1% mean we be at to fuel no so.
Enunko.
No, I'm not making say. Then ya or the two how. The essence of it na say we increase we fuel no. Say what to matter.
Yeah.
How because international fan one by one and so bet me change mobile at. But the most important thing is why then we increase for them. No, I may say another banze. Best no more for him connect echi. More for no young echi bill na enkofa problems ma ye bekan fuela. Ebi omo mi team ni be empenimfo team ni omo kai se na ye bekan budget avibia kuro no mu ye. Obia di ni bibia si o twense ye be budget ansana. Ordinary dey den epi. That should not be the case again. Kwame.
Yeah, I like me too.
Yo. Kwame, ansana makono. Asemisu eyi ni jaza udin komono. Woni koku ana obi say dim komono. No more about the leadership of NDC.
Koku you know na.
Aha, say the leadership of NDC. I mean, I want to clear this.
Oh, say, mami nchani what say? So the lives of Portofie, the lives of Dr. Kwabeneji, the lives of Nipabia, Obubo Nipabidi. Nene Nipabia, Wamuba Yenche, yet says a medium phenomena, the idea, and now Wamabaji party and boss were misbehaving the party. And I'm a grammar kind said debut. Party dear, Bobio or Bay Munche by Paul Amantem, and so was Synody come for. No, was in the way the end, Paul no so buy and obey my pa or Quack, and we'll buy the and why you. I don't know, Kansasem.
The American say, the leadership of party over a constitution. I think it's Article 26 or so, or 27. Actually, what the leadership of the party is. Say, the president is the leader of the party. Kwame Timi, the president, yeah, elected so your president no kay party one. The time elected Professor Amos and elected Joe Mahama no. In government no, the president is our leader. Say you betwaba na president otisno no onu ena air contest here. This is Professor Amos time. JJ time JJ wo na Professor Amos na air flag bearer no. Then the flag bearer becomes the leader of the party. Not the president again. The flag bearer becomes the leader of the party. If you know, na say ye tuaba, na say ye we need opposition, just an opposition now. Chairman and a leader of the party. That is the arrangement. But the person will be accurate as they say. Professor most time or contested 2-3 times. Because I have vice president then he was a leader of our party. And we all accorded him with that respect. So the Oba National Executive Committee meeting or the high table. Yeko is a leader because his faith has become part of the party. And none of your friend conventions, unwritten part of the constitution. Those are the conventions that we follow. And the Professor Amos throughout his time, whether in government or outside government, he was seen as a leader of the party. Even though he called National Executive, the chairman presides, but he was seen as the leader of the party. The same way, and the opposition, Domama constitutionally may not be the leader, but conventionally, he will still be regarded and seen as the leader of the party. That does not take the constitutional powers of the chairman away from him, no. But conventionally, because he has been the flag bearer of the party. He will continue to be a leading member of the party or a national executive. He will sit at the high table. He will be the leader. He will be regarded as the lead member of the party. And the more being because the Mahama say, baby, the party needs John Mahama more than John Mahama needs the party.
Hey, the party needs
without any equivocation at all.
Why? I don't know, sir.
Because this is the time we need the leaders of the party to show leadership and move us forward. And this is a man who has gone to a election. We really election and he had done in a quanta. He still controls the followers of the party. And at this time, we need him. And then, for example, vaccinations, or can we say, who be break us home vaccinated? John Mahama have vaccination. And then, John Mahama call vaccination in 10 send the bear and the followers in a bed. And then, I can do no because he still carries the people along with him. So the party needs John Mahama. The party needs all even parliamentarians who may lose elections, our constituents in the ground. The party needs them. I'm telling you that I think that the party needs John Mahama. Me, in my opinion, the party needs John Mahama more than John Mahama needs the party today. If John Mahama decides to say that, Uncle Bioma, what will happen? And
Obia, the one you bet me at the home combo. Nana Ira Casse, ma and maybe when you push for bet me at the combo. One name Yankasa Minia Baba, Ibra bet me at the combo. One name Alfred, Peter, Munina bet me at the combo. And could be Yanko for a ball. Na Ebasa. Maybe a party for more Conincha Grana was a me, but what they may buy me by me, but when Piama. It's a party when you be a
party with a pinful bar. Your presidential material, baby. I can assure you, say, and the way your mama is in China, you bet me now party events and nipa be jina president bet me na 20 at a go without even looking me ko kata me mbo nipa 20 bet my president is here me mbo a wa me nkata me bet ma bo nipa be 10 ah me mbo ni din bia nso unim say oye president but obi ane nemre obi ane tamane franka jina so that time where you know John Mahama franka no also and say if you be mu kwan so mo on ma contest in election no obi a won kwan so baba contest because from now on go to 2023 na ye be 23 na ye be new flag bearer no and at ending of 22 the new flag bearer anything can change and I may say because as I stand here now no me expect say nipa mienu mi so my friend ni me di nkomo a wo mu ina president nipa mienu mi so my friend personally seeking my opinion sure no and when friend so I express my views to them. I tell them their chances and their shortcomings
one more percent me bo akrofo argument ba ko bi ni say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama me anka say me bra say okọ we a 2024 kwa no we ni o one term pe na adai na party no mun grumi obi from now na ni pa ko
vice president ngo
o de beko
oyi ministers
obeyi ministers
oyi chief executive
obeyi pa
party na ngata no yi executive
wo ko amageji ba bia ma o se ba so oyi a
Tommy, when you was okay, wow, Makai, we state of the nation's
address
and another man. Okay, in a future. This Nanka said one come was by no day Mogu. Your make can say, me as I speak to you now, John Mahama, so because. So uncle, no in the bush some or no be take a decision as to whether you will go or not. That one will be a new control. But as we talk now, we are expressing our opinion. Tell me a man for identity American say. Tell me a man for Kaze, only leader Bium, no. Why make Kaze or person leader in the first place? At this point, party, here John Mahama more than John Mahama Premier Party. Because John Mahama is an individual, but you call at any time. But party no here individuals like him to be able to push the agenda forward. And to be given in terms of John Mahama is somebody that will be struggling to be leader. For what? They say that they are not there. They say what the leader cry can't want to go to school. And the party needs him more. And I know, say, as a patriot, as a comrade, Obio or no party, no, and yet this kind of obey in every party, no. If it's all the cool, so cool, or the crack party now, because you say, being any leader for from ODB. And to let everybody understand that, main case all the other cool and uncle, or no one individual decision or no ability. But let's make it clear that at this point, we need everybody on board, and especially people, John Mahama as the leader and flag bearer, as somebody who was acting as the flag bearer and leader of the party. Because not personal. Eba in this money, I can not personal. Woman no anameboa. Where they in a film, and let everybody more fantasy be say, John Mahama, as we stand here, no. Constitutionally, may not be the leader of the party. But conventionally, when the leader of the party, won't mean anything. The party needs him, the party needs everybody, but will be a lose election, will be a co-election. The party needs everybody now. That is why we are moving. Even those who have been suspended, we don't attack them. We expect to say, they will be part of, because you almost more critics are there no about him. And one my answer your friend, in some of it's not like the war is bad. Some hard facts are obi wo inside kwa wontinka nze sami dem fidie ndi it takes courage so obetimi aka nsem na okan even though I still stand there mentioning names or all those things, he went overboard. But no kind is something now. It rhymes with the party. The party people are in love with it. It has really brought some hope to the rank and file. Otherwise, almost the year now become boom and rubbish all of us. Because what happened in Parliament is disappointing. It is bad. It is discouraging. And we need to say it as it is. But we should be decorous in saying it. That's all. I mean, that is what we will say. Intermediate Kwame. Say will be a leader, will be a leader. No. John Mahama will continue to be revered in the party. He has more followers in the party today than everybody.
Wow.
And he has more followers in the party than everybody because he has just ended an election where over 6 million Ghanaians voted for him. So how can you throw this one away? How can somebody say that he is not good enough to be a leader? I insist there, Joe Mahama is the party NDC needs Joe Mahama now more than Joe Mahama needs the party. And all of us as leadership, all of us as members, the earlier we recognize this fact, the better. Ye may be too many who say, Ubia Wuzia, especially Ubia Wako, let's see, in my Yako, Nancy Dim Kubu, but really we are in there. 777, Otonokunia, and Negi. And I move beyond Sunya, your mamma, and why not you to put departing in by 4. That is, the day was that. And then said, oh, Mahama, because the beer nominations are Ubia won't want to offer. Ubia won't want. And I make us the many are impressive. If I be Numians are affirming to discuss their presidential ambition. But I could call on the catch the matter. So I corporate vice president, the president in Robert is there any.
Okay. And your medals and obey.
And to come in America, my member man say, party may be Bruno. We have to use the constitution to guide the party. Now, so we should also look at best practices and conventions I have practiced over the years. President Mills, from Rawlings, President Mills, the way we treated him as a leader, even when we was outside, he was not a presidential candidate. Let's all accord everybody that respect. Because that is the only way. I urge all our people there. Okay. It is only discipline that will take us into 2024. It is not about people's ambitions. It's not about people's opinions or what they want. It's the unity of purpose. Say never kaya boom. Never no bako. None you see yeno. No and the number 2024. The man I am Ramay.
Madam pay Alaji. Best when I say for Alaji Baba Jamani and Nature Konoke was 1.7.
Okay, FM 101.7.